En avril 2008, j'arrive en Roumanie avec pour bagage de nombreux clichés sur son climat froid, l'alcool de prune et la légendaire amitié entre Ceausescu et Mobutu, ancien dictateur du Grand Congo, l'ex-colonie belge.
This is a very good example of telling our own stories, because then, nobody would have known about these guys.
Le contrôleur du train qui m'emmenait dans ma ville d'affectation me demanda si j'étais footballeur. Non, ai-je répondu. Pour les Romains, les Noirs qui venaient chez eux étaient soit footballeurs, soit étudiants.
Everybody tries to make it life. It's a smart move, but you're the one in control. But, we're thinking it's somebody else's problem. These problems are not other people's problems. They are problems that are part of it. They're all part of this thing that we have bought into.
Je viens du Petit Congo, l'ex-colonie française. J'ai été engagé par l'Organisation internationale de la francophonie pour travailler à Cluj comme volontaire dans le domaine de l'audiovisuel.
I tend to think that we as Africans do not realize how rich Africa is. We don't grow up
Being told you're rich, you're rich, you're rich.
rich. Can be the life, can be the environment, the family that you have, because you will not have that experience.
We're always feeling that we can't do anything ourselves. I'm not even talking about the European scenario. How many times do we think to ourselves, I can't. There's nothing I can do.
J'arrive en Roumanie avec pour bagage de nombreux clichés sur son climat froid, l'alcool de prune et la légendaire amitié entre Ceausescu et Mobutu, ancien dictateur du Grand Congo, l'ex-colonie belge.
Home is home. Like she said, and I agree with it totally. You would rather at home, walking barefoot, but you know you're home. You won't be stopped for papers. You won't be stuck wondering how I'll get back home. You won't be stuck about something else. As opposed to feeling, because as an immigrant, expatriate or not, you're always a foreigner in a foreign land. And things are not always to your advantage, because they're always to the citizen's advantage first, then to everyone else on it.
Je viens du Petit Congo, l'ex-colonie française. J'ai été engagé par l'Organisation internationale de la francophonie pour travailler à Cluj comme volontaire dans le domaine de l'audiovisuel.
Now you all are ambassadors of this film and of remembering to stop yourselves when you are about to say or to fall into the trap or to continue the story to your core. In whatever way, whether it's as an individual or as a country.
Hi, I'm here at Power 254 in Nairobi. We've been showing a Congolese film by the writer-director Rufin Mukima. The film is called SOFA, T-S-O-F-A, and it's about immigrants in Romania and what happened when they got there, and I don't want to spoil it.
En avril 2008, j'arrive en Roumanie avec pour bagage de nombreux clichés sur son climat froid.
The film was shown at Power as a partnership between Power 254 and the Arts Canvas, which I run, and Maisha Film Lab, which is in Kampala, Uganda. And the idea was to share stories from Africa, because as Maisha Film Lab says, if we don't tell our own stories, no one will. The late 50s and the early 60s. There was so much hope, so much hope. And then as we got to the 80s, I guess people started to think that they needed to go to Europe in order to make it. And now, there isn't a day that we don't hear about people who have fallen off some boat or other, whether it's going to Australia from Indonesia or going to Europe from Africa. It's, just pray that the world can get its act together, because there's enough for everyone.
Pour les Romains, les Noirs qui venaient chez eux étaient soit footballeurs,
The film was about people who have gone to Europe and tried to make it there and not done so well for various different reasons. And I think that there's a lot of work that needs to be done so that people are happy and feeling comfortable and feeling that they can earn a living and live their life comfortably. And sometimes people feel that they can get that in Europe. Sometimes maybe it's possible to do it here. There's a guy in the film who says that if you have connections in Africa, then things work out. But if you don't have connections, it can be really tough.